Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 8HP Tecumseh carburetor is probably one of the most important parts of your small engine, responsible for the precise mixing of air and fuel for optimal performance. Today, we will deep dive into this vital component, exploring its functions, common issues, and how to select the right one for your needs, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Number 5. Tecumseh Carburetor 640,052. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your Tecumseh engine. It's designed to provide peak performance and reliability. It fits a range of Tecumseh engines, including HMSK 80, HMSK 90, and others. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. It's built to deliver optimal fuel delivery for your 8 horsepower, 9 horsepower, or 10 horsepower engine. Enjoy improved engine performance. This carburetor is designed for easy installation. It's a straightforward replacement for a smooth upgrade. It's suitable for various equipment, including snow blowers, generators, chippers, and shredders. It's a versatile solution for your needs. It's also known by part numbers 640054, 640349, 640058, 640058A, Oregon 50 to 659, and Stens 520 to 926. This ensures you find the right part. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with various Tecumseh engine models and snow blower brands. This comprehensive kit includes all the necessary parts for a smooth installation. If you value convenience and a hassle-free setup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Replace my old worn-out carb on my snow blower with 812 HP Tecumseh engine. Perfect swap, and it started up instantly. Fit was perfect, including linkage interfaces. The installation of the carburetor was straightforward, and the engine started right up and runs excellent. No adjustments to the carburetor needed. Number 4. Carbhub 640,052 carburetor. This carburetor is a direct replacement for several Tecumseh models. It's designed to fit a range of snow blowers, ensuring peak performance. It seamlessly integrates with Tecumseh HMSK 80, HMSK 90, HMSK 100, LH318SA, and LH358SA snow blower engines. These are popular 8 HP, 9 HP, and 10 HP engines. This carburetor also works perfectly with Toro 38635, 38640, 38641, 38642, and 38,645 snowblowers. It's a versatile and reliable solution. It's not limited to Tecumseh and Toro. It's also compatible with MTD, Cub Cadet, and Yard Machine snow blowers. Get the perfect fit for your machine. It comes with a primer bulb for easy starting. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. This single carburetor replaces several part numbers, including 640052, 640054, and 640349. It simplifies your repair process. What we like. Its adjustable design ensures optimal performance across different conditions. It's built to last, promising reliable operation for years to come. If you need a robust and adaptable carburetor, this one is a great option. What people say. All holes were tapped from the factory and accepted the old screws without issue. The new carburetor installed easily and is a perfect replacement for the original carburetor that came with my MTD snow blower. I had the carb swapped out in a matter of minutes, then decided to swap the fuel line since it was included in the kit. Once everything was buttoned up, the snowblower started immediately and runs fantastic. The new carburetor appeared identical to mine until I tried transferring the two brackets, which didn't come with the new carburetor, nor did the bracket mounting screws, 2 per bracket. No problem if the mounting holes are the same, but they aren't. After installing the new carburetor and filling the gas tank, gas was leaking profusely from the carburetor. So I removed the carburetor bowl to find the float stuck due to improper assembly of the bowl gasket at the factory. Upon reassembly, the float operated freely, there were no fuel leaks from the carburetor, and the engine ran well. Number 3. AUTOKAY 640,052 carburetor. This high-quality carburetor is designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's the ideal replacement for your Tecumseh engine. It seamlessly works with various Tecumseh 8HP, 9HP, and select 10HP snowblower engines. Check the model compatibility to ensure a perfect fit for your machine. This carburetor is compatible with several Tecumseh models, including HMSK 80, HMSK 90, LH318SA, LH358SA, 632334A, HM70, and HM80. Make sure yours is on the list. It comes with everything you need for a smooth installation process. A gasket is included for a proper seal. Your package contains one carburetor and one gasket. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement is right here. Get your equipment running smoothly again with this dependable replacement part. It's built to last and restore peak performance. What we like. This is a versatile option, fitting a wide range of Tecumseh models. It offers great value for your money without compromising on quality. If you're on a budget but still need a reliable replacement, this is a smart choice. What people say. Fit perfect on my Troy-built 7524 Storm 7.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Quality appears to be at OEM level. Easily installed and fully adjustable. Blower runs as well as it did when new. Expect to get many years of service. My application is on an old home-built log splitter with a Craftsman 8HP engine with a Tecumseh carburetor. Installation was simple. Once the bowl was filled with fuel, it started on the third pull and hardly needed adjustment. Number 2. Tecumseh Carburetor Kit. This kit is designed for various Tecumseh engines, ensuring a perfect fit for your snowblower, generator, or chipper. It's a comprehensive solution for restoring peak performance. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including HMSK 80, HMSK 90, HMSK 100, LH318SA, and LH358SA engines. Check the description for a complete list of compatible models. This carburetor kit supports 8, 9, and 10 horsepower engines, providing the necessary fuel delivery for optimal power output. It's built to handle the demands of your equipment. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth installation, including gaskets, a shut-off valve, primer bulb, fuel line, fuel filter, fuel valve, and even a spark plug. It simplifies the repair process. It comes with all the necessary components for a complete replacement, ensuring a reliable and efficient repair. Get your equipment running smoothly again with this easy-to-install kit. It's compatible with various brands like Ariens, John Deere, and Toro, making it a versatile solution for many different machines. Find the right fit for your equipment. What we like. It comes with everything you need for replacement, saving you time and effort. It's suitable for various applications, including snow blowers and generators. If you prefer a complete solution with high-quality components, this is the one for you. What people say. This was easy to install, and included lots of great parts, fuel lines, gas shut-off, new shut-off key and choke handle, clamps, spark plug. The only small complaint is that the metal fitting that the priming tube slides onto pulled out when I tried to remove the tube to reroute it, but I was able to push it back in. Otherwise, very happy, and my snowblower runs like new again, and I have a shut-off that I never had so I can shut off the gas and let the fuel burn out of the carburetor when I'm done using it, prevents old gas sitting in the carburetor causing buildup. Installed this one along with a filter that came in the kit and fired right up first pull. Ran great. It fit perfectly on my 8HP snowblower with a Tecumseh HMSK 80 engine. Took just minutes to remove the old one and replace it with this one. It started with the first pull and has functioned flawlessly since then. Number 1. Tecumseh 10HP HM80 Carburetor. This is a replacement carburetor for 8 to 10 HP Tecumseh engines. It's designed to restore peak performance to your equipment. It's compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines, including the HM80, HM85, HM90, HM100, and several LH series models. Check your model number for compatibility. This carburetor comes with a gasket for easy installation. It's a direct replacement for your old part, making repairs simple. It replaces several OEM part numbers, including Tecumseh 640260, 640260A, 640260B, and 632689. This ensures a perfect fit for your machine. Use it in snow blowers, generators, and other equipment powered by compatible Tecumseh engines. It's a versatile solution for various applications. Before ordering, please double-check your engine's model and part number to ensure compatibility. This will guarantee a perfect fit and proper function. What we like. This is a cost-effective way to restore your engine's performance. It's designed for specific Tecumseh engine models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're looking for an economical solution to repair your carburetor, this kit is ideal. What people say. Perfect fit for yard machine 8 horsepower push blower. The old carburetor wasn't working well, and leaking gas the whole time I was running. Decided to change the carb rather than dinking around cleaning jets, replacing gaskets, and am glad I did. This carb looks exactly the same as the original, but works like it should. Started on the second pull, and runs fine. Worked as described. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.